Ever wonder why dogs get hiccups? It's all about those little diaphragm spasms. Just like us, when a dog's diaphragm contracts suddenly, it can lead to those quirky hiccup sounds. But here's the kicker: rapid eating can really trigger them. When dogs gulp down their food too fast, they swallow air along with it, which can irritate the diaphragm. So if you notice your pup hiccuping after a meal, it might be time to slow down their chow time. A few puzzle toys or a slow feeder can help keep those hiccups at bay and make mealtime more fun.